Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here today. We are checking out this set of emergency blankets. These are so phenomenal. Now, first off, these were sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you. Now, this comes in a multiple set, so grab however many you need. These are so great for having in your emergency kit because they are so tiny. Like, look how little they are compared to my hand. Like, these are tiny, so easily fits in your first aid kit, in your bug out bag, in your glove box, whatever. It's tiny, so it's not going to take out a bunch of space. But let's open it up and see how big it is. This thing is huge. So not only is this an emergency blanket, you can feel it trapping your body heat almost immediately. It also can be used as a ground cover. You can use it with a shiny thing to signal an SOS, whatever. You could put it down on the ground if you don't want to sit on the ground, or if you're needing to stay warm, if you're needing to stay dry, this takes care of it. And then when you're done, you can simply throw it away, which is awesome. So grab yourself one for every emergency spot and be prepared. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do.